how to remove or disable administrator account in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to remove or disable your administrative account on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Windows Start button. Click on the Start button, and as you click on the profile, you will have your administrator account, right? So if you want to remove or disable the administrator account, you just need simply go and log into your administrator account first. So click on the administrator account and log in. Now once you're on your administrator account, the next thing you need to do is right click on your Windows, and you need to go with Windows PowerShell admin, and here you need to enter a command which is net space user administrator space / active colon. After entering this command, you just need simply hit the enter. After hitting the enter, you need to just right click on your start button, and once you right click, you'll have shutdown or sign out option. You just need simply click on it, and you will have sign out option. You just need simply go with sign out, and after that your problem will be fixed. It will be removed. So that's how you can remove or disable your administrator account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.